HEX S522 plate type heat exchanger has the advantages of small size, lightweight, high corrosion resistance, high heat transfer efficiency, and so on. Single heat exchanger transfer area is 7.693 square meters. The cooler circulation line is shown in the figure. The cleaning of heat exchangers needs to be started backwards. That is, the cleaning solution and the fresh water should go into the cooler from the outlet. Note: do not pour the cleaning solution and fresh water into the oil circuit. After the heat exchanger is used for a period of time, the sediment in the water will remain in the heat exchanger and the mineral will condense on the surface of the plate to form a scale deposit, which will significantly affect cooling water flow rate and cooling efficiency. Therefore, periodically cleaning heat exchangers helps maintain the cooling efficiency and extend service life. We recommend that the heat exchangers to be cleaned every 3 months. When the water volume and cooling efficiency are significantly reduced, the heat exchanger needs to be cleaned also. The solution used to clean should be a slightly acidic solution with a concentration less than 5%. In this video, we used the solution consisted of 15 grams of 99.5% oxalic acid powder mixed with 4 liters of fresh water. Shake the oxalic acid solution well before use. Pour the oxalic acid solution into the cooling water outlet until it starts to come out from the other end. Once the solution fills up the whole cooling system, let it sit for 30 minutes to make sure the solution fully contacts and dissolves the scale deposits. Visible bubbles and turbid reactants will flow to the surface. During the cleaning, check whether the water and the oil path are leaking. That is, there's no obvious drop in the water level after the solution is filled, and no solution is able to enter the oil path. Drain the oxalic acid solution from the heat exchanger. Large amounts of turbid substances can be seen after cleaning. The discharged turbid substances condense to form white solids in the downstream. Before restarting the system, flush the plate-type heat exchanger with large amounts of fresh water to purge the system until there's no more acidic solution or turbid substances can be found. Drain the water from the heat exchanger. Finally, the heat exchanger can be dried with compressed gas. Now, the cleaning of the plate-type heat exchanger is complete.